Okay, so this is the main menu of the Control4 controller. And what we're going to do today is demonstrate what Sonos Favorites look like within the Control4 interface. So we're going to go to Listen here, and then we're going to go to Steve Sonos, which is actually my Sonos right here. And so you're going to hear my Spotify playlist playing right now. I'm going to scroll over to here, and then these are all of my, let me turn this down a little bit. These are all of my Sonos favorites. These can be any combination of Pandora stations, Spotify stations, Sirius XM stations that you want. It's a total of 32 that you can add per Sonos project. So think of these like your top 32 presets. You can change these however you want in Sonos, and they're automatically uploaded into Control4. You can see here, for example, that I have a Sirius XM station right there. I have an 80s Spotify playlist right underneath that. I have a Pandora station right there. So you can mix these all together within the Control4 interface, and then you can play them however you want. So I can switch here now to a Pandora station. And then that's going to switch over to a Pandora station and play the Pandora radio that I had selected. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me turn it up a little bit. So yeah, it's kind of a slow station, but anyway, so there you go. So that's how you interface with playlists and Sonos. With the Sonos favorites and Sonos. Now, if you want to expand those to other zones, then all you would do would be to come down here. This is my zones page, add them to whatever I want to add them to. Let's say I'm going to add them to the inventory room and maybe our server room. And so we'll get those going in those locations, and then we can adjust the volume out of for any one of these that we want. Then you can turn on and off a zone or do whatever else you want. And then you can also come back here now that all those zones are complete and select a different preset. So I'll go over here. I can select 80s mix now. That's a Spotify playlist. And then that will start playing in all those zones. And that's how you work with the Sonos favorites within Control4.